Hello everyone, I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So many thanks to those who watched my video home and abroad. So thank you very much. So today I'm going to show you what is the price of rice uh, at Nazibur in Gurudashpur, Natur. So everyone, you can see this is a market of rice. So already I heard and many farmer and many businessmen said uh, rice price low rice price today, and highest price 1300 up, or 1350 per mon, or 40 kg, just 40 kg. So just lowest price just 1000 per mon, especially 40 kg. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. So bye, love it. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Really, I cannot speak English, but if I mistake any word or any sentence, please help me and test me. So bye, Allah Hafiz.